Here's a trigger warning. There's gonna be some annoying noises in this. If you're really bothered by that, maybe don't watch this video because it'll probably bother you a little bit. Or watch it, you know, you can do whatever you want, but I thought I would just let you know. Hello there. The word of this week is annoy, and I most certainly did not write a whole list of ideas that I had, that I hated. That didn't happen. When I think of annoy, I think of like annoying sounds or annoying people or me. So I thought, I'm gonna go with sounds. Why do we get annoyed by noises? And why do some people find those same noises comforting? I put my trusty thinking cap on. Wait a second, gotta get my thinking cap. I didn't actually find my cap, like, you know, a hat. So I found a water bottle cap. It'll do the job. I was like, I do have that degree from that lovely University of Google. Might as well put it to good use, you know, it's just collecting dust. So when I went to Google, I searched annoying noises, annoyed by noises, annoyed by sounds, all that jazz, and I found a phobia, which I've heard of this phobia before, but I haven't read too much into it. I just know that I think I have it. It's called misophonia. I think that's how you say it. Not too sure. The Wikipedia for misophonia is literally hatred of sound. It's a rarely diagnosed disorder commonly thought to be of neurological origin. In which negative emotions, anger, fright, hatred, disgust, annoyance, are triggered by specific sounds. The sounds can be loud or soft, and is sometimes referred to as selective sound sensitivity syndrome. I personally think I have a few of these symptoms. I wouldn't say I'm like full blown, and the noises don't always annoy me, but I do think I have this. And maybe this could be like a sort of test for you to see like if you have misophonia. I couldn't really think of anything for this word, even though clearly I wrote plenty that I could have done, but I thought why not, you know? So I guess let's get into it.
I made a list of the most common triggers that I know of or that I found for misophonia. Trigger number 1, chewing. Trigger number 2, knuckle cracking.
Lovely noises.
Pen clicking. Slurping. Nail tapping. Chewing gum. And typing.
So I hope you found this video interesting, and maybe you learned something new, maybe you learned something about yourself that you didn't know. Maybe a few of these noises made you angry, and I mean, that could be good, but that could be bad. I didn't mean to annoy you, but I think that's kind of the point. Let me know, I guess, if you were annoyed by any of these sounds. Tune in next week. Check out the rest of the Slugs. You've got Carrissa and Noah and Brent, and there's me. And don't forget, our Google Hangouts are on Monday, so if you want to check those out, be our guest. I know that Carrissa said that she hadn't made the most, you know, creative or, you know, funny video this week, and I think what she did was really brave. And I know she's probably gonna think, oh, that's so cheesy, shut up, but no, I really do. Like, it takes a lot of guts to just talk about issues that you have. So I thought I would do that, and obviously mine is nowhere near as intense as hers, and I don't want to like come across as like, oh my gosh, I have a problem. And I know that's how she didn't want to come across as, but I just thought I would go along, and I would talk about something about me. So it's a great start for the second week. We really did that delve. We delved in. We dove in. I hope you enjoyed. You can give it a thumbs up if you did. Even if the noises made you angry, still you could give it a thumbs up or give it a thumbs down too. Like, maybe that'll tell me if the video, if the test worked, is if you give a thumbs down. So do what you will, and I'll see you next week. Toodaloo. Toodaloo? Toodaloo. 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 Well,